Welcome! This video tutorial will show you how to search the Nexis database for legal resources such as court cases, laws, and law review journal articles. From the library homepage, select Databases just above the search tool. Then search for Nexis by clicking on N or type in Nexis in the upper right corner search tool. The first page you will see will be the Power Search tool that searches all Nexis content. You can use this search tool, but be sure to select Legal Content before you search. Then search for a case by title or keywords that will help you find it. I recommend going to the Legal search page instead. Select Legal in the top menu. Then you'll be searching for legal content and have more options. Let's start with a basic search for a famous court case, Miranda v. Arizona. Search for the full title or search for Miranda Rights. Either way, Miranda v. Arizona is going to pop right up at the top of the search results. Select the case you would like to view. Don't forget to download it by selecting the arrow in the top left corner. The citation tool doesn't help that much. APA citations require the case title, the volume, and page number of the book the case is in, and the year. Here is an example. Miranda v. Arizona is the case title. Then volume 384 of the U.S. Reporter, which contains all the Supreme Court's decisions. And page 436 is the page number the case starts on. Then the year, 1966, is the last thing. If you need more help with citations, look at our YouTube video titled Legal References. Let's search for a term like Castle Doctrine as a keyword search. When there are more than 2 words in a phrase or a name, try searching with the words in quotation marks. After you search, you will see many court cases have been associated with the Castle Doctrine, also known as self-defense. Your assignment might be to find a court case that used the Castle Doctrine. On the left side of the screen, narrow down the results to see only court cases by selecting Cases. But you might also be interested in finding out if any states have enacted the Castle Doctrine into law. On the left side of the screen, select Statutes and Legislation. An example is this law in Missouri. Don't forget to download it and cite it. The correct APA citation is the title of the state statute, Use of Force in Defense of Persons, then Section 563.031, and the last thing is the year, 2024. Let's do one more search for a scholarly law review journal article. From the search page, we are going to search for Title IX. After the search, be sure and limit your results on the left side of the screen to Law Reviews and Journals. Don't forget to download it and cite it. The citation tool does not provide the correct APA citation. Use our APA help page and video tutorials to help you with APA citations. The correct citation should be the author's first, date of publication, article title, journal title, volume, issue, and page numbers. I hope you enjoyed this short introduction to Nexis. There are many different features to explore. Reach out to one of our librarians if you need any help. Use the library chat on the library homepage, call, or email us.